Hi, welcome back traders. Today we are diving into the world of paper trading on TradingView, which is a powerful platform for chart analysis and trading. So whether you are a beginner looking to practice your skills or a seasoned trader testing new strategies, paper trading is an essential tool. In this video, we'll explore what paper trading is, why it's beneficial, and how to execute it seamlessly on TradingView. So let's start with understanding paper trading. So paper trading, also known as simulated or virtual trading, allows you to practice trading without risking real money. So it's an invaluable tool for perfecting your skills, testing strategies, and gaining confidence in your decision-making abilities. Think of it as a risk-free training ground for traders. So what are the benefits of paper trading? First of all, it is a risk-free environment, as it eliminates the fear of losing real money while you learn and experiment. Second, it leads to skill development, so you can enhance your trading skills from technical analysis to execution without having any financial consequences. Third, it helps you to test new strategies, and you can improve and optimize your existing strategies. You can do it using paper trading on TradingView. Also, it gives you platform familiarity, as you get comfortable with TradingView platform and its features. So if you are a beginner out there who is just trying his hands on the market, understanding what trading is all about, who is getting started trading, so I would advise you to not start trading with real money. First of all, you should paper trade, you should demo trade, you should trade with virtual money, you should have a trading strategy, you must have a trading plan, develop it, perfect it, and you should have emotions, you should know how to manage your emotions in the market, you should know how not to over trade, and that is why paper trading is very much important, traders. When you're paper trading or demo trading, you are not losing money. So I think the problem with majority of the new traders coming out there is that they don't paper trade, they watch some YouTube videos, they take a course or they do anything and they directly start trading with real money. So what happens is that it leads to losses. Any beginner in the market, I think out of 100 traders, 98 traders they make losses. One or two can get lucky. But the market is brutal for the new traders because they don't have a proper trading plan and they don't know how to control the emotions, so they are lacking in these things. So what paper trading will do is that it will remove these these things from you, that inexperience which you have when you're starting out, so it will lead to you protecting your capital. When you become some experience, when you gain some experience, then you can start using your real money. So yeah, traders, this is why paper trading is very much important. So now let's get started how we can do it. So if you are new to TradingView, then you have to Google search TradingView and then you have to sign up, create an account, and then you have to get there. So after you get there, you have something like this tab opened up. So you have to you select any stock or any thing where you want to trade. So for example, I'm clicking here SDFC Bank. So this is the instrument. So if I want to trade in it, what I will do is that I will go to trading panel. So here you can see the paper trading. You have to click on it and then you have to click connect. So traders, so our the paper trading account is money, so we have a virtual account balance of 1 lakh. So traders, so here if you want to buy, so this blue tab is the buy one and this is the sell one. So if you want to buy here, so when you click on it, this order window opens. So you can go with a limit order, market order, stop loss order, so I'm buying 1 unit here. So traders, you can see I have placed the order and the order has placed. Now you can place a stop loss. So for example, I placed a stop loss below the swing low. I have to click on the price where I want to place the stop loss. For example, if I want to place the stop loss here at 1669.30, I will click here, sell. If I am buying, then my stop loss is a sell order, here sell, and my target also. I can place a sell order, so I can place it here like at a 1672, sell SGFC. So sell, so here, and my target order is also placed. So traders, so here in the paper trading, so you can see the orders, you can see the history, you can see the account history, you can also maintain a trading journal. So it's very much helpful for new traders, beginner traders, where you can practice your strategies, you can practice your trading plan, you can get used to the trading platform, so better your understanding of the market without losing any money in the initial stages. So also traders, the seasoned traders also, they can use it to practice and optimize the strategies, optimize the trading. So yeah traders. So okay traders, I'm concluding the video. Hope you found the video useful. Thanks and bye.